Hello everyone, my name is Vipin Sharma and I am an aviation and tourism expert. So you are entering in a world which has so many opportunities to grab, and I'm glad to welcome you in this course. And before you start this course, you must know that this is the only kind of course which is available with these kind of recorded videos where everything is covered which you normally cover in a classroom course. This course will cover everything that you need to learn about travel and tourism, from geography to various time zones, TC areas, airport codes, city codes, learning about the inbound tours, outbound tours, domestic tours, ticketing, and everything that you need to learn to become a travel professional, and how to work not only in the travel agency but also for the airlines for various openings that they have. This course will help you to get the best job opportunities which will come up, and we're going to help you with your jobs also once you complete the course. Thank you and enjoy your course.